Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. I just finished up teaching Kiss from a Rose. Now I'm going to do I Want It That Way by the Backstreet Boys. So, another one from my cruise set. I'm just going through them all because it makes it easier for me than thinking of songs to do. Just going to keep them coming from the set list I have, because I have 6 set lists for the cruise ship. 6 different nights of music and 1 night off. This song's in E minor. It's got E minor, C, and G. You are my fire. That's where you sing it, right? You are my fire. And they just go round and round. The one desire, believe when I say. Now it changes. I want it that way. E minor to D. I want it that to G. Way to G. So you've got E minor, C, G 3 times. E minor, D, G on the 4th time. Let's carry on. It's probably going to be the same again. But we are 2 worlds apart. Now we go to the chorus on C. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. So the chorus is C. Tell me why ain't nothing but a D, E minor. Again. Tell me why I never wanted. Now D to G. He said. And again. I want it that. You notice I don't play the chords the same way every time. Sometimes I play D here. Sometimes I play D here. It's the same chord. G can be here. Or it can be here. It's just different ways of playing it to keep the song fresh, or sometimes my hand wants to move up. Sometimes it feels like moving down. Sounds very similar because they're the same chords but just inversions. So it's good to know your chords in different places around your instrument. Let's carry on with verse 2. I am your fire. No bass this time, so I'm just playing the right hand chords. The one, your one desire. I know it's too late, but I want it that way. It's a short verse. Little composition device there. I've noticed that a lot of songs, they have a full-length verse and then the second verse shorter, half length, because it's all about getting back to that chorus, right? The hook. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. C, D, E minor. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. A new chord. Second chorus, it changes. Tell me why I never want to hear you say I want it that way. We go to B at the end. And we go to a bridge. Let's see if I can remember how to sing the bridge. E minor. I can see that we're falling apart. So the bass moves down a tone. Now I can see, E minor, G over D, that we're falling apart. That's a G chord with a D in the bass. And we're moving down again a tone on the bass, down to C. From the way that it used to be, yeah. From the way that it used, C, to be, A minor, yeah, to D. And back to E minor. No matter the distance, Jeopardy, I want you to know, see, that deep down inside of me, that's deep, that deep down inside of me. Alright, hold that note if you can. Very good. Alright. Okay, let's do the verse again. You are my fire, the one desire. You are. There's a lot of you are's there. I'm probably not doing it exactly right. You are. D and G. And then he goes, I want it. And then we stay on D. Don't wanna hear you say nothing but a heartache. Okay, it's a key change. I sang it perfectly, right? No. I want it. Don't wanna hear you say nothing but a heartache. Alright, I must listen back to it before I do the video. Okay. I wanna hear you say nothing but a heartache. There it is. We got it. Don't wanna hear you say nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. D. I never wanna hear you say E to A. F sharp minor. I want it that way. Again, that chorus. Don't wanna hear you say ain't nothing but a heartache. E to F sharp minor. Repeat. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Again. I never wanna hear. This time A. You say F sharp minor. I want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. D, E, F sharp minor. So again, ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never want it. E to A, F sharp minor. I want it that way. Tell me why it goes round again. E to F sharp. Why I never want to hear you say. Does it skip a bit there? I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why. Probably not. I've just cut it off. Ain't nothing but a. Literally is a mistake. Mistake. Tell me why I never want to hear you say. I want it that way. 'Cause I want it that way. And that's the end of the song. It does I want it that way twice. And you're out of there. You're at the bar, getting a drink, ready for the next set. And as always, thank you for watching Between the Keys. If you liked the video and found it useful, please click like and subscribe. Next up on my cruise set list is I Try by Macy Gray even. Games, changes and fears. Where will they go from here? When will they stop? Okay, I try to say goodbye. I'm gonna have to find the key. Goodbye, I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try and hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not near. So if you want to see that song, again, click like and subscribe, and I shall see you for that one if you're interested next time. Thanks for joining me on Between the Keys.